Oh my. Oh boy. Oh my god. That is classic. That is a meme. It deserves to be a meme because it is so classic. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, how you all doing? Really? That's pretty good. Well, I'm doing pretty good too myself because our friend, the original iPhone, is finished restoring and is currently now in. Hey guys, it's me from the future. That's pretty cool, right? Nah, it's just me doing a voiceover right now. Well, basically why I'm pausing the video is because I forgot to say what we were doing. Well, this is basically a continuation from the first part of me restoring my iPhone 2G to iPhone OS 1. If you have not seen the first part, I strongly encourage you to do so. So, check for the annotation right above, and I also left a link in the description below to go watch it. If you have seen it, let's continue on. In progress of activating. I have iTunes open up here, and I don't think this thing is connected. Yep, there we go, now it's connected. I do have an AT&T SIM card for this, so it should activate automatically, and I'm going to be following the guide to help install this sucker down to iPhone OS 1. Alright, there we go. Successful unlock the 2G, unjailbroken right now. I now just need to jailbreak it by opening up Red Snow, which will be in here somewhere. No, oh, that's the utilities. There we go. Red Snow and 9.2 Beta 3. Alright. Browse for 3.0 firmware. Yes. IPSW successfully identified. I'm actually going to zoom in here just so you can see this process because it's kind of important. I'll lower this brightness here. Yeah, that's readable, right? I think that's readable. Anyway. I'm just going to lower it one more notch. Actually, two more. Yep, that's readable. Anyway, IPSW successfully identified. I'm going to turn on my studio light again because I forgot about that. Then we'll press the next button. Downloading RAM disk and baseband firmware. Oh shit, I need to put this thing into DFU mode. So I'm just going to put this thing into DFU mode. By the way, this is not a tutorial, this is an experiment, so I'm going to unlock this thing and custom recovery mode. No, I want to do next, which is I need to choose the baseband firmware, the basebands for this, which I do have downloaded already. So it's going to be under my jailbreak folder and Red Snow under the bootloaders. I think I chose for 3.9, yes, 39, and then 46. And then now I need to boot this into DFU mode, which is hold this for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and yep, jailbreaking, there we go. Alright, so it is currently downloading the jailbreak data from the computer. It is done, it says it's done. I'm just going to keep it connected because who knows, this could go wrong since, yep, installing jailbreak, the running pineapple. To some people this is nostalgic. To me, I never knew it since I became part of the iPhone community back in the iPhone 4 days, when I had no idea what jailbreaking was. Anyway, I'm going to rest this here. Let this thing reboot and finish that. Then I'm going to install the XP partition. I'm going to boot into the XP partition and we'll take it from there. Yes, it went away. Well, we did reboot. It went into the bootloader picker, which is fine. We're going to reboot into XP now. And I'm going to connect my external hard drive that I installed the drivers and the software onto and install it on this machine. Wait for this to boot up. Bong. Oh, I had to wait for the super drive to go. Yep, we have. Oh wait, I don't have this on silent. You noticed that, right? Oh yeah, it's not on silent. Yep, there we go. We have Cydia installed on there, which means this is officially jailbroken. Alright, Windows. And I'm gonna grab my trusty hard drive. And can't see. Plug this sucker right into there. Ah, Windows XP. Absolutely love this version of Windows. Besides, like, 7 and 10. I think the best versions of Windows so far were XP, 7, and 10. 8 was just trash. 8.1 tried to make up for it, but they ultimately failed. They made up for it. If that doesn't give you nostalgia, I don't know what. But that is classic. That is a meme. It deserves to be a meme because it is so classic. Anyway, oh my god, pop-up bubble sounds. We'll do you later. I'm first going to adjust the screen resolution here because it's a bit upscaled. Alright, iPhone's connected. Cancel. And remove programs. I'm going to appearance and themes. Alright, I'm going to be back when I have this. Alright, fine. Every time I'm back. Finish. Alright. Can I, like, search here or something? Alright, appearance and themes. Yeah, change the computer's theme. Screen resolution, here we are. 12 by apply. Oh my, that is small. Holy shit. That is tiny. Alright, close you. Oh, look at that, my recycling box is floating up in the top there. I'm gonna place you on the hill. Oh yeah, that sits perfectly. Actually, I'm gonna move it down one more. One more. Yep, there you go. I'm gonna actually place you right there. Seems good. Alright, now I wonder if it has detected my hard drive yet. Macintosh hard drive. USB video device. Removable disk. Short film. Yes, it has. It's detecting it now. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. Where is my stuff? Ah, yes, 2G downgrade. Let's move this over here onto the desktop. Oh man, the classic moving the files into the folders animation. 30 days left till activation. Yeah, screw you. I don't need this version of Windows for 32 days, so I can just find an unused product key online somewhere. Doesn't really matter. I mean, to be honest, I don't think, like, oh my. Oh boy. Oh my god. That's even with the display drivers installed. Even Windows 7 performed better than this without the display drivers. Anyway, that's not the biggest hog right now. We're going to install iTunes. Now, I need to consult the guide for this because I'm not quite sure how to install this. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I've got iTunes installed on here, and I'm actually just gonna not open it quite yet. I need to put this thing back into DFU mode. I have... Where's iLiberty? I have iLiberty installed on here to possibly, I don't know, do something with it, but whatever. The guide said what to do next was, in XP, open up iTunes with this thing in DFU mode and restore it to iPhone OS 1. It should work since this is such an old version of iTunes, and this is a 32-bit version of Windows. Anyway, turn this on. 1, 2, 3. Where's my Apple logo? Alright, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna keep this home button held down. I agree to the terms and conditions. Yes, 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 yes. Oh man, look at that old iTunes thing. Could not connect to iTunes Store. I do not care. Found new device. USB. Oh yes. iTunes has found this iPhone. Before, in the 32-bit, in the 64-bit version of Windows, it wouldn't even get this far. It said it would need the 32-bit, 64-bit drivers to use this iPhone. Now that it's actually loaded in iTunes, this means it's working. So, we're going to, I think it's the Shift key, and hit Restore, and then we will go to, right, open, and extracting software. Preparing iPhone for restore. Oh my god, this is... I'm like... There's a white screen, and we have the Apple logo. Preparing iPhone for restore. Yeah, move this closer to the edge of the desk here. Alright, seems like Windows is going a bit nutso with the whole hardware insert, excerpt. I wonder if that's even a thing. Found hardware to use, I don't care. Waiting for iPhone. So we have the spinny progress bar and the spinny loader, and then the progress bar should show up any second now. So yeah, I am so excited for this because this is literally the first time I've ever tried doing this. Also, other times I've tried, it's failed, but this time it will actually frickin' work! Alright, just consulted the guide, seems to be doing the right thing. Yeah, restoring iPhone software. After this, it says it will have an incorrect SIM, but clearly, I got an iPhone 3GS from a friend, and it did have an AT&T SIM card installed in it. Now, if I can just... why? Sorry about that. That was my mother calling. She was just checking in with me and seeing what I was doing. Anyway, the iPhone has finished restoring. We have the classic activation. Activate iPhone, connect to iTunes. I'm going to connect this to my modern Mac so I can actually reach the activation server, because this is XP and it does have internet connection, but I don't feel like draping an Ethernet cord all the way over here. Anyway, I'll be back when this is set up. So, I just had a dilemma. I plugged this into my Mac, which is running Catalina. And mind you, Catalina I'm running a beta version of Catalina. That may not have this driver support for the original iPhone. It did pick it up as iPhone, but it had a question mark where the icon should be in Finder. So, I'm going to use my iMac that is running Snow Leopard to activate the original iPhone. I will be back when that's done. Alright, we're back. I moved the iMac here. The other computer's over there just for reference. Yeah, let's open up iTunes and plug that sucker in. And do I have it? Yes, I do have airport connection. And iPhone. Yes, accessing the iTunes store. We are unable to complete activation at this time. Please try again or contact customer support. Let's just try this again. Because I do have the proper SIM card in here. I mean, really, I do. This is an authentic AT&T SIM card from the 3GS I got from a friend. But it may be too new for this iPhone to recognize. But it's whatever, to be honest. So, I'm going to go back to the guide and see what I need to do in order to get this to work. I'm actually just going to retry it again, just because third time's a charm. Yeah, it still won't work. So I'm going to hop back on the XP machine and plug it into that and try running iLiberty. And I'm going to follow the guide to see what happens. So, I just realized, I'm not quite sure if I have... Oh yes, I do have the payload activation. So, I need to copy these and move them to the iLiberty folder on my computer. So, I have those copied. Bootcamp, program files, iLiberty, and payload, paste. We have activation 1.0 and 1.0.1, activate 1.01 SH. Yes, I want to quit, and yeah, I think that should work. I'm just going to minimize that, reopen up iLiberty, and advanced. These payloads will be applied to the device. Refresh. I'm going to consult the guide again because yet again I'm going in blind. Alright, I'm back. I went into the guide. Turns out this is the local. We have Activate 1.0 and 1.0.1. Those are the payload files I just loaded in to the iLiberty folder on this computer. So we're going to do that and go for it. Okay. Putting the device into recovery mode and please stand by. So, I'm actually going to set this down. I'll be back when this finishes. So, it turns out I did something completely wrong. I should have had this thing plugged in. I should have disconnected it and re-plugged it in before hitting go for it, because I think it's something important that needs to be done, so I'm just going to unplug this and plug it back in, and then hit go for it. Yes, okay. And then it should be booting into recovery mode. Yep, there it goes. Please connect to iTunes. Oh, it has a purple screen. That's cool. I think that might be from where Purple Restore came from. Anyway, put that there. Thank you, guide. And we are in recovery mode now. And I'm going to jump out of recovery mode. Yep, there we go. We have the verbose text, just like the tutorial said. And iLiberty, the ultimate iPhone utility, acknowledgement, and the iPhone dev team. I'm sure Apple still has a very nice place in their heart for the iPhone dev team. Anyway, we have the Apple logo, and I'm just going to close out iLiberty since we don't really need it. Yes. I do not care, iTunes. You evil, evil witch. iLiberty plus by this. Unpacking main payload. Oh shit. I shouldn't have closed it, shouldn't I have? F you, iTunes. Yep, Apple logo. Going to just zoom out again. So the Apple logo. And there we go. We have the classic slide to unlock. And piss off, iTunes. Why are you so jumpy lately? Anyway. 3. Alright. Is this in... Yes, focus. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Holy shit! This is an iPhone OS 1! I have never experienced this before. This is amazing! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, yo, this is cool. Let's see. Settings. Oh my god. Airplane mode. Usage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. No page swiping. All you had were the built-in stock apps, and that was it. So yes, we have iPhone OS 1 right here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go into that calculator app. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh man, camera. Let's see that. Oh wow, that's different. Let's take a picture right here. Oh, that sound. Thank you, Windows XP, and thank you to the person who gave me the Windows XP install disk. I am so glad that this works. I've been trying to do this for longer than you would have ever thought. The reason why I bought this phone was so I could do this, so I could have something valuable. Well, not really, just so I could have something that came from my childhood. And this is freaking insane. No wiggly app mode. You had the phone. You had the visual voicemail. Oh, call failed. No service. Favorites. Recents. The contacts. And what about SMS? Oh, I had a blue SMS button instead of green. Home button. No double click home button. The home button just did one thing. YouTube. I freaking love this app. Close, cannot connect to YouTube. Oh, it even has Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi network is not showing up on there. I do not care. Could not activate Edge. I do not care. So go away, Bubble. Photos. Camera roll. Yes. Oh man, look at that quality, crisp quality right there. Oh yeah, the pinch zoom and everything. Oh man, look at that. That's fluid right there. You had stocks. Let's see if the weather app works. Cupertino. Oh yeah. They discontinued that. Oh wow, the slow animation of scrolling. Ah yes. And then the iPod. Huh. Oh, there it goes. No music. No cover flow just yet. I'm going to quickly connect this. I'm going to boot this into the Snow Leopard partition since I have pretty much everything on there. So let's just shut down. And piano. Oh, love that sound. Just gonna wait till this is shut down. Just gonna remove my hard drive here and return on the computer. I'm just gonna boot into the thing anyway. Oh man, that HUD. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna keep this plugged in. Put it right there. Oh wait, it's booting right into Windows. Oh, jeez. Hard to shut it down. The hell? Oh yeah, hard drive just clinked. I'll hold down the Option key this time, since clearly it didn't work. Oh man, that lock sound. Alright, Macintosh hard drive. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this. I'm gonna come back to this phone once it's synced up, and I will get back to you then. Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry I had to pause the video, but the reason why I'm cutting it short here is because first off, I'm really tired and I can't finish editing this video in one night. Second, there's a lot I need to explore with the original iPhone, so that's going to be its whole separate video. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this two-parter. I will be creating the original iPhone 2G exploration sensation video sometime in the future, and I will notify you all when I get to that. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!